Hare Krishna everyone. Today let us discuss about the Griva Veda, that is nothing but the neck movements. It is very important to know in every class form over there. So let's get started. In Griva Veda, there is a shloka. Sundari chatirashchina tathaiva parivarthitha prakampita chabhavagnir neva griva chaturvidha. So there are 4 types of the neck movements in the Griva Veda. So there are namely Sundari, Tirashchina, Prakampita and Parivarthita. In Sundari, the neck movements will start with the side to side. Ta, tai, tai, tat, a, tai, tai, tat, tha. So many of the beginners will do this mistake while learning. So for them, I'll suggest to do practice every day. Just place your fingers to the right to the eye point and just move your neck towards the fingers. Tha, thai, thai, tat, a, thai, thai, tat, tha. So while practicing this, you can improve your neck movements. So in Abhinaya, the Sundari means expressing of showing beautiful, or it is very elegant. So Sundari Chatirashchina, like Sundari, wow, it is very beautiful. The second form of Griva Veda is Tirashchina. In Tirashchina, same has like a Sundari. We should do in a V form, in a V angle, like ta te te tat a te te tat 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 tha. So in Abhinaya, the Tirashchina is showing or expressing or in search of a person, like tha te te tat a te te tat 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 tha. The third form of Griva Veda is Parivarthita. In Parivarthita, the neck movement is similar to that of Sundari, but in a semicircle wise. So it goes like tha te te tat a te te tat tha te te tat a te te tat a te te tat a te te tat tha te te tat a te te tat tha. So in Abhinaya, the Parivartita is showing the expression of childish anger. It goes like tha te te tat tha te te. The last form of Griva Veda is Prakampita. In Prakampita, the movement of the neck, it starts from front to back. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in Abhinaya, it is used in the animal moving or jumping. It's like a peacock jumping, peacock dancing, deer running. Okay, it's like a ta, thai, thai, th, a, thai, thai, th, tha, thai, th. I hope all of you have understood the Griva Vedas. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.